Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about an amazing tool in Microsoft Excel, which is little known. This tool is Speak Cells on Enter. And why is this tool so great? Well, imagine that you're at work and you have a whole load of data to enter into Excel. You would be continuously looking from your paper to the screen and back and forth, which is quite tiring and also quite time-consuming. So let's see how we can use Speak Cells on Enter to help us with that. Now, up here in Excel is what we call the Quick Access Toolbar. We have already talked about the Quick Access Toolbar in a previous video. Let's go to the little arrow and add another tool to our Quick Access Toolbar. Go to More Commands. Select Commands Not in the ribbon and scroll down till you find Speak Cells on Enter. Speak Cells on Enter. Click on it, Add, and OK. And here it is. The Speak Cells on Enter button is in my Quick Access Toolbar. Now it is easy to access and I can use it whenever I like. Now let's look at what this tool really does. Let's just delete the content of the cells here. Let's type in here, January. Nothing happened, but when I hit enter,
January.
So it is spoken on enter.
February.
Now I didn't hit enter, I hit the tab button so I can go right. It did the same thing. It told me what I just wrote.
March.
April.
May.
June. So you see that by using this tool, I don't need to constantly check if I have typed in correctly. I have my Excel helper, that I like to call it, who tells me what I have just typed in. This is also especially useful with numbers. So let's try. Let's delete some cells here and start entering some numbers.
€1,234.
That is correct. And enter.
€674.
Thank you, helper.
€9,546. €213.
Instead of constantly rechecking my paper, did I type in the numbers correctly? My Excel helper, which is the Speak Cells on Enter tool, reads me back what I have just typed in. Now, if I don't need to use this tool anymore, I'm done. I can simply click on the Speak Cells on Enter button and deactivate it for now.
Turned off Speak on Enter.
Now it is turned off. So even if I type something in and hit enter, it will not read it back to me. To activate it again, simply click on it.
Cells will now be spoken on Enter.
Okay, so let's write
hello.
And deactivate.
Turned off Speak on Enter.
So that was the tutorial on Speak Cells on Enter in Microsoft Excel. I hope you'll find it very useful. Thank you for watching.